Ben Mullins here with MarineMax Lake of the Ozark. I'm standing in front of this brand new 2023 Sea Ray 270 SDX. This boat is equipped with the quantum blue whole side color with the stone gray interior. You can see it has the windlass anchor there on the front, stainless steel, nice feature for coving out, anchoring out with friends and family. Let's climb aboard the back here. And this boat is equipped with the MarineCruiser 6.2 liter 350 horsepower. You can see here on the swim platform, this is a manual submersible swim step. So when you're out coving with friends or family, open this up, it'll lower down in the water. Nice feature for hanging out. You can see here, you can raise up the support. Nice area to sit for your legs, give it a little bit of curvature. If you're looking to store some gear, some floaties, I know saddles are big here at Lake of the Ozarks. You can open up this rear compartment here. Deep storage for water skis, for saddles, whatever you might throw in there. Lots and lots of storage there. So we'll walk through the transom here. You have a spray down nozzle, stereo head control unit, and then an insulated cooler box here in the transom so you can throw your ice and beverages down in, so you never have to climb aboard when you're coving out. So, large open cockpit, lots of seating, storage underneath here with a built-in cooler, removable that you can use. So you can remove that cooler, fill it up, or you can leave it out. Over here is built-in storage for your tables. There's a bow filler, and then there's the cover in there, obviously, right now. Your engine hatch is underneath that seat. You have batteries underneath that seat. So, one nice feature about these chairs is when you're underway, you can be facing forward, heading down the lake. But if you want to stop, cove out, or just join the party, opens up a whole nother seat, so you can sit on the other side, talk to your friends and family here. Storage in the center locker here. Take a look at this helm area. Nice large Simrad screen, gives you the vitals. You can split that up and have a chart. Many different options to use that. You have your main head unit here, your Fusion stereo, nice great sound system, and obviously your throttle control. Take a look inside the head unit here. It's a large head unit. Storage underneath the helm here. It'll dedicated table storage. Sea Ray is very big on making sure that if they're going to put an option on a boat, it always has a place to go. So we're in the bow of the boat here. You can see the table mount there, and then underneath here is more storage in the floor, and then storage underneath both of these seats here. So lots and lots of storage on this boat. Be able to hold all your gear, your fenders, lines, life jackets, coolers, everything. Sea Ray's thought about it well with this boat. Very great family boat. This one is equipped with the sports tower and bimini. Nice option here. For more questions, you can call us at MarineMax 573-606-3022. We look forward to seeing you. Thank you.